What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's still looking extremely good, isn't it? You can see this macro, analysis that we have done for a while here on this daily chart. We'll talk about it every single day. You can quite clearly see that this is a massive coiling motion here that we have seen. We've seen multiple descending wedges in this time as well, which have all broken to the upside, obviously because we're in a bull market, apart from this one where there was that horribly ridiculously overextended move to the downside, followed by coming back inside of the wedge and breaking out. You can see here coming up, making this macro high and higher low trend, whilst also breaking out of this huge coiling pennant formation, the breakout and the back test of this with the 618 sweep as well. Absolutely textbook amazing move to the upside here, and you can see obviously all the volatility over the past few weeks, quite clear on the Polygon chart, but overall still looking very good indeed. You can see we've come all the way up to this recent swing high at around $260. That would be amazing, but unfortunately it's only $2.68. But you can see we're making our way almost up to that previous all-time high here, which was actually touched in terms of candles, but obviously these wicks here up at around that $267-68 level. $2.68 level. I really need to, make sure I'm more precise in my speech. You can see here this swing high coming very close to the previous all-time high. Then with Bitcoin, obviously, having a little bit of a torrid time, let's say, a bit of a correction back down here to that previous swing high of around 180, which we did say would be very key in the future. You can see broken as resistance, flipped into support here and getting the bounce there, very bullish indeed. Currently have reclaimed that $2 level, which is also very key in our opinion. And you can see here now we're trading very textbook, aren't we? This is so textbook to see. You can see this previous swing high here on the hourly time frame that we highlighted at around that 221 area. You can see, look at this chart. This is absolutely crazy to actually witness. Double bottom back test of the previous swing high of 180. We run up, we front run sell the all-time high here, coming up to around a price of 257.5, 258. We roll over, we come down, we find support again on that 180 level. We come up, we come back down, where we retest the top of this little range that we formed here perfectly. We come all the way up, and where did we find resistance? On the previous swing high around 222, where basically, we come up, we're ranging, we're basically consolidating underneath this right now. And obviously it depends where where Bitcoin does go next as to probably which way this will break for Polygon. But we'd say obviously if we break down here, there's a decent bit of support at around that $2 level in and around this area here, along with this Fibonacci level. We do think a very critical level that is going to come into play very soon at around 195 again. That's 0.78 retracement level for the fibs. And then, you can just look at how textbook this is all trading. Up to the fib, down to the fib, break the fib here, we come back down, we come all the way down pretty much to the 618 here for the retracement, come down, W double bottom, we come all the way up to that new swing high, almost to the all-time high, which was front run. We roll over back down to this previous swing high at 180. We come up and we find resistance on another previous swing high at 222. You can see just how technically this is actually trading right now. Polygon looking really good, by the way. A really top quality project in our opinion. Looking very nice on the charts. Looking like it might be hitting this all-time high pretty soon again. To be honest, the way that it's coiling up, making higher lows, just progressively making its way to the upside here. You can see that the uptrend is just continuing on the hourly time frame here. And, it's looking very good. So, as we said, if we roll over here, this 195 area will be good support in our opinion. Coming down towards that 180 level, you could see something like this where we do a bit of a range for a while. With Bitcoin, ranging as well. Or if we do break to the upside, we want to see ourselves break out, backtest this 222 level, and then we will be targeting, as we said, up towards this local swing high at 257, and then that all-time high at around 265, 266 as well. Very important levels in our opinion, and we do think, you know, it's all coming together for Polygon right now, isn't it? It's looking very bullish indeed, and we really do think it's going to do well. So Polygon looking really good, as we said, and we do think $5 or $10, as we've always said, is very likely in our opinion. That's only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, which is essentially, you know, we're very close to that now. Let's be honest, we're probably down. Let's take a quick look at this. We're only down 20% from the all-time high right now, and we got as close as around, you know, 2, 3, 4% only a week ago. So the way that Polygon's going right now, it looks like it's going to do something like this. We come up, maybe get that retracement back down, cup and handle, and then obviously coming up towards some of these fib levels that we're looking for. And we did say if the DeFi on Polygon does start to get fleshed out, it's pretty bare bones right now, let's be honest. If Polygon does start to get used more and more, it's probably going to be well over $10 because the demand is going to be so high. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.